Well, hello, this is Jimadism, Total Nerdery channel, and we are here and doing a miner tutorial. We will place our ship core in a way so it's actually going to be our cockpit view camera. So it will be in the seat, like that. We might as well set up the symmetry planes and build a basic cockpit. Now we'll set up some power. As you know, the power modules should be the entire length of the ship. They also should be built in the 3-axis pattern as much as possible. Now we will place down the salvagers. You can do your salvage by two ways. Either you have your salvager connected to a cannon system to make it fire continuously. Or you do so that you have two different salvage systems, and then you can flip between them all the time, and you will have a near constant stream of mining beams. Both methods work fine. This one with the cannon system is a bit easier to use, but this one with the double is more efficient. Spawn a little base for your modules to be placed on. Put down your first salvage computer anywhere we want. We will be using the more efficient method of mining. Have your computer selected with the C and make a checkerboard pattern with your salvage modules. When that is done and you have a good shape of the beam you want, you will need to spawn another salvage computer. Remember to disable the symmetry plane build fields, and then you spawn your other computer. And you guessed it, what you do now is that you fill up all these gaps with the other module. Be sure to have selected the other computer and do not shift connect them up. This ensures a very packed way of making a good mining laser. Now you have created yourself a very compact, efficient mining laser. And we can test it, dragging down both of the systems and fire them off. We can see that our power is sufficient. Except making it look very cool, we have something very important missing, and that is a chest to collect all that you mine. Now that you don't have infinite room in your inventory anymore, it's crucial to have a good cargo system for your miners. I have created some rather nice looking cargo holds. Now have the computer selected and you can begin to put in the cargo holds. It is also to my recommendation that you try to build as much as possible with hull, because the miner will be heavy when it's full loaded. So you will want to keep the mass down, and thus avoiding too much armor. It's also likely that your miner will not face combat, because most miners do not face very much combat. Thus, hull will be sufficient. Now that they all are filled in, we can go to our chest and look at it. Here we can see that we have 87,000 volume units. Now we need to set an inventory name. We select cargo, because if it's not named, it will basically not be able to be reached from within the ship by pressing the T menu, cargo. In order for your salvage modules to drag the materials to your chest, you need to link the chest up by selecting first the computer and then the chest. Then we go here, Can salvage that one and that one. Now we can see we gotten some things inside our cargo. Here we can see our cargo is slowly filling up. Now we will fill in with some thrusters, and remember that you might need more thrusters than you think, as your ship will be heavier with your cargo fully loaded with your asteroid and ores. Now you will of course need some shields at least. And if you mine often in pirate active areas, then you might want to have some anti-missile turrets also. And I believe that that is a good setup for making a miner. Making it look good you have to do yourself, but when I have made this look good I will upload it to the StarMade doc. So that's everything for this time. Gmonism Industries hope you have enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. I will see you in next video. Gmonism out.